Hi legends, in today's episode I will share with you a wall of resistance we need to keep an eye on. This is definitely a possible rejection area for the price of Bitcoin to perhaps find a little bit momentum here to the downside. So make sure you watch till the very end to not miss out on any important alpha. Also remember my favorite exchange that I currently use to do most of my trading. First link down in the description under exchanges you will see Bluffin, one of the largest sign up bonuses, no KYC required. All you need is an email, a password or a cell phone number and you can start trading in minutes. So go now, go sign up and come trade with me. Let's dive straight into the Bitcoin analysis. Right legends, looking at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour time frame, I've switched on the VRVP which shows us where the most amount of volume was traded inside this long consolidation that we've been in since Feb up until now, okay? And you can see, if I take a pen over here, you can see we have a high volume node which is referred to as the point of control, where the highest amount of volume was traded on the Binance perpetual contract that I'm using to do my analysis here on. The level used to be over here where I've marked it out as a high volume node. It jumped to this level over here on the Binance chart because of this consolidation and the deviation that happened here at the bottom. Okay, but we still have a high volume node that we need to compete with over here. Okay, as you can see, we are almost there. There is also a 1.618 level that I'll highlight now when we get to the smaller time frames. So legends, what we need to be aware of over here is you can see that we are facing some high volume as we're making this momentum here to the upside, which could potentially be that rejection area for a little bit of a cool down here to the downside, perhaps retesting this point of control for continuation, bouncing here on the diagonal trend that I've got sloping up here. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin here on the smaller time frames. Right legends, looking at Bitcoin here on the 1-hour time frame, the structure that I'm still keeping an eye on, like I've discussed yesterday during my live stream, is this can definitely still be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 here to the upside, where we have now completed the final push to the upside. And what you want to see more locally is bearish CVD to confirm the momentum here and the weakness to the downside. Okay, so definitely still a possibility that we can reject without tapping the 1.618 level that I have over here. And how I get that level is if I take a trend-based fib from the low to the high that we've made over here to the low, okay, just reverse it over here. And here you can see at the 1.618, definitely still a chance, okay, to find the strength where we are right now, finding support above these highs, okay, maybe weak in to grab some liquidity and then go and tap this high volume node that I've just highlighted on the 4-hour time frame together here with the 1.618 level. And I want to see how price is going to react in this level, because one of two things can happen over here, legends, is that this can definitely still be a 1, 2, 3 here to the upside. And as we all know, the 1.618 is a common third wave target. Okay, perhaps together with this high volume node, it's going to offer that resistance and for price to slow down and perhaps come down to the downside and bounce on this trend once again. What we would like to see also, if I take a fib here from the low to the high, the current high that we have over here, and obviously I will drag up the fib if price moves to the upside, you can see that for now, okay, just taking the scribble here out the way, that we do have some confidence that if price rejects in this area over here and we start falling down, okay, we have the 382 with this underbelly support that can provide support for potential bounce here to the upside. Then further down, we have a consolidation area in alignment with the 50% fib level, and also a beautiful consolidation in alignment with the 0.618 that could also be a deeper retracement for potential bounce here to the upside. Okay, legends, so quite an important area to observe how price is going to react over here. Another scenario I just quickly wanted to highlight is what I spoke about in my live stream yesterday as well, is that when you take a fib extension, okay, from this wave to the high, to the low that we've made over here, you can see exactly where we got rejected last night, okay, at the 1.618. So there is still a chance, legends. It's not to say that we are definitely moving up here and claiming these areas and finding weakness above. This could also be still the end, okay, of the third wave, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and inside of this wave you have 1, 2, and I mean it's very complex to count all these stairs here to the upside, but this could potentially be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 where this is the end and we're going to start finding a deeper retracement here to the downside. What I would look at over here, legends, is if I switch on my weekly levels over here, you can see, okay, at the moment we have found support above this weekly point of control that I've got highlighted over here. You can see how nicely it acted as resistance, struggling, and now we broke through. So for now, it looks like it's offering support for continuation to the upside. So from a bearish perspective, if we do not claim the area above, okay, I want to see us lose the weekly point of control with high time frame body candles close below to confirm continuation here to the downside, front running this area above. Right, legends, also another scenario that I'm watching over here is to say that, well, if I switch on my daily levels, you can see we still have a couple of untapped daily levels here to the upside, and I'm just going to remove these all daily levels off the chart because they've already been tapped. But you can see when I zoom into this area over here, a possible massive rejection area is that we have the 1.618, we have an untapped daily level, and we have a high volume node. So I think it's going to be very interesting if we start finding support above this weekly point of control for perhaps a final push here to the upside. And I want to see how price is going to react in this zone, perhaps finding that weakness, struggling to break through, and continuation here to the downside. From a bullish perspective, we have to acknowledge that what I would like to see for bullish continuation is like exactly what happened here to the weekly point of control. I want to see us break it with high volume and high time frame candles close above the line, find support and continuation to the upside. So if we're going to smash through here with high volume, there's a good chance that we could find support and continuation here to the upside. So it's all about observing the price reaction as we hit these levels. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the alpha and what I shared, smash up the like, hit subscribe for future notifications. And until the next one, legends, cheers for now.